Hope all doing fine. Good. So, today's mantra: keep smiling, love yourself, look yourself in mirror and say, I love myself, I'm happy, I'm a beautiful soul. So, all my happy souls there, promise me that you will follow these instructions and you will keep loving yourself. If you smile, if you're happy, no one can make you sad, no one can take smile from your face. So I need your feedbacks, that how you're feeling after this affirmation. Daily you have to give this affirmation to yourself, and I need all the good and positive and smiling responses. So, take care, all my happy souls.